Hello, singer friends! Today we will explore how to sing Bella Porta di Rubini by Andrea Falconieri. Let's get started! Who was Andrea Falconieri, the composer of this beautiful aria? Andrea Falconieri was an Italian composer and lutenist from Naples, born around 1585 or 1586. He was a court musician in various Italian cities, including Parma, Genoa and Florence. Later he moved to Rome and then returned to Naples, where he became the maestro di cappella at the Royal Chapel. Falconieri composed a range of works, including madrigals, villanelle, motets and instrumental compositions. His style is a blend of Italian and Spanish influences, and he is known for his innovative approach to music during his time. Bella Porta di Rubini, it's a soprano aria with basso continuo, published in 1619, but as you might guess, I'm not a soprano, but I challenge you to sing it, so if you are not a soprano either, don't be afraid and give it a try. First, try to understand words. The lyrics describe a beautiful rubido that opens to sweet accents with references to pearls in laughter and the refreshment of love. It's about a romantic encounter with imaginary of roses and sweet lips. The second verse advises not to speak, but laugh and be silent, suggesting that the beauty and emotion of the moment are best expressed without words. And now let's read the text. Bella porta di rubini, qu'apri il varco ai dolci accenti, che nei risi peregrini scopri perle rilucenti. Tu d'amor dolce aura spiri, refrigerio ai miei martiri, refrigerio ai miei martiri. Vezzo setta e fresca rosa, umidetto e dolce labbro, c'hai la manna rugiadosa sul bellissimo cinabro. Non parlar, ma ridi e taci, sien gli accenti i nostri baci, sien gli accenti i nostri baci. Okay, let's translate our lyrics word by word. Beautiful rubidour who opens the passage to sweet accents, if in the peregrine laughter discover shining pearls. You breathe sweet aura of love, refreshment to my martyrs. Sweet and fresh rose, moist and sweet lips, you have the dewy manna on beautiful cinnabar. Don't speak, but laugh and be silent. Let our kisses to be accented. And now it's time to read the text in the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bella porta di rubini, qu'apri il varco ai dolci accenti. 1, 2. Che nei risi peregrini scopri perle rilucenti. 3, 4. Tu d'amor dolce aura spiri, refrigerio ai miei martiri. 1. Refrigerio ai miei martiri. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vezzo setta e fresca rosa, umidetto e dolce labbro. 1, 2. C'hai la manna rugiadosa sul bellissimo cinabro. 3, 4. Non parlar ma ridi e taci, sien gli Senti nostri baci, 1. Sien gli accenti nostri baci. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to sing this beautiful aria? Today we'll not interpret it in the strict style of ancient music, although nowadays you should respect that. You should use messa di voce, minimal vibrato, with a bit more vibrato at the end of long notes, long phrases, and you should use beautiful ornamentation, but later. If you are at the beginning of your singing journey, focus on singing properly with good support, legato, and accurate intonation. Aim to convey emotions, but do not exaggerate. This is the interpretation I will try to demonstrate. Speaking about tessitura, for me it was a kind of baritone song with good use of a higher register. It demands a slightly higher voice with good support and open throat. Keep your soft palate lifted and try to find joy in it. I want you to sing it with a healthy sound and a ringing tone. So without further ado, let's do it! Let's sing it! Bella porta di Rubini, apri il varco ai dolci accenti, che nei risi peregrini scopri perle rilucenti. Tu d'amor dolce ora aspiri, refrigerio ai miei martiri, refrigerio ai miei martiri. Vezzo sete fresca rosa, umidetto e dolce labbro, c'hai la manna rugiadosa sul bellissimo cinabro. Non parlar maridi e taci, sien gli accenti nostri baci, sien gli accenti nostri baci. Okay, that was it, and now it's time for you. Bravo! It was beautiful! Thank you for joining me today as we explored Bella Porta di Rubini by Andrea Falconieri. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more music tutorials and singing tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep singing and stay inspired. See you soon, bye bye.